So let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off with qualification match number 109 here on Croft field number 1. Over on the Red Alliance side, Meta Infinity is cycling those artifacts as they continue to open and pick up from that ramp, while their teammate in that far launch zone, that is Banglebot, is doing their part to launch those artifacts in as well. Over on the Blue Alliance side of the field, on the far end, it appears they are going to earn their lead points. That is Leviathan Robotics and their teammate High Voltage Couch Bananas is in this near launch zone as we enter the teleop phase of gameplay. Opening up the gate for the Blue Alliance is Leviathan Robotics, and doing the same for the Red Alliance is Meta Infinity, though it appears that they are incurring a penalty for interfering with the blue secret tunnel. There is some heavy defense by the Blue Alliance High Voltage Couch Bananas, as it appears as if they are just waiting in that secret tunnel trying to get one more artifact. Meta Infinities. The Red Alliance is currently in the lead with a 20 or so point lead, as Meta Infinity is doing their part to widen that lead with their teammate Banglebot picking up from the human player. Over on the Blue Alliance side of the field, it is Leviathan Robotics in this near launch zone, making quick work of the field as they are collecting and launching, in no small part, collecting the majority of their team's artifacts and launching them in. Finally, High Voltage Couch Bananas joins the fray, scoring 2 for 3 into their basket. Banglebots has one more going in for the Red Alliance, joined by their teammates Meta Infinity, who add 2 more to the pile. The Blue Alliance have a ramp that is now full but freshly emptied as they are preparing for endgame. With 15 seconds left on the clock and a major penalty on the Red Alliance, these teams have a choice to make, and it looks like they are trying to fill up those ramps one last time before they park in 3, 2, 1. That is qualification match number.
And the winner is Red Alliance with a score of 282 points. Let's get back